In this video, we'll be finding the area of this figure, and it's got a few different shapes in it. So we have two parallelograms and three triangles. So we'll find the area of each of these shapes and then add up all of the areas. So it's not a complicated problem. It just has a few steps. No problem. We'll just take those steps. First, the area of a parallelogram. I've just drawn a little parallelogram there to show that we are talking about the area of a parallelogram. Let's do this one. The area of a parallelogram is base times height, where the 14 inches is the base and the 10 inches is the height. That's the height of this parallelogram. So the area of that one parallelogram is 14 times 10, or that is 140 square inches. That's this parallelogram is 140 square inches. Well, we have another parallelogram that's also the same. It's identical, so that's also 140 square inches. So I'll say parallelogram plus parallelogram is 140 plus 140 square inches, or 280 square inches. All right, that's the area for the parallelograms. Let's change colors now and go to the triangles. These are three identical triangles. The base is going to be the same. It's going to be 14 inches. And how do you know that? Well, the parallelogram, the opposite sides of the parallelogram have the same length. So if this is 14 inches, then this must also be 14 inches. The height is not 18 inches. It's 18 inches minus 10. So the height is just 8 inches. I don't have room to write the inches in there. I'll make room. The height is 8 inches. So for a triangle, for just one of the triangles, the area is 1/2 of the base times the height. So the area equals 1/2 of this base of 14. So I'll write the 1/2 in there. Now instead of b, I'm writing 14 for this base times the height of 8. So 1/2 of 14 times 8. 1/2 times 14 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. So I'll say the area of one of the triangles is 56 square inches. I have three triangles total. Triangle plus triangle plus triangle is the same as 56 plus 56 plus 56, or those of you playing at home might have figured that out. That is 3 times 56. That is 150 plus 3 times 6 is 18. So 150 plus 18 is 168. 168 square inches. All right. So now we have the area of the triangles and the area of the parallelograms. And so we can just add those two together. And I'll use purple for that one. And I'll say 280 plus 168 gives us a total of 448 square inches. And that is the total area. I'll write that as a note here. That's the total area of that figure. All right, I hope that helps.